welcome back. Catholics marked Maundy Thursday as sacred day all over the state. The washing of feet on Thursday before Easter is a tradition commemorating Christ's Last Supper. It is a part of papal calendar of events running up to Easter. This is an important festival in the calendar of Catholic Church. The priest washes and kisses the feet of 12 people to replicate the Bible's account of Jesus' gesture of humility towards his 12 apostles on the night before he was crucified.
The day is also known as Passion Thursday. It is the day before Good Friday and occurs in the Holy Week. Maundy Thursday replicates Christ's Last Supper with his 12 apostles.
The Maundy Thursday, the Good Friday, and the Holy Saturday are the most important days of the whole liturgical year. The Lord Jesus had the Last Supper with his disciples. When he was having the Last Supper, he took bread, thanked God for that. He broke it and gave it to his disciples and said, "Take it and eat of it, for this is my body." And then he took the chalice of wine. Again, he thanked God for that, and he said, "Take it and drink from it, for this is the cup of my blood."
Senior video journalist Tulsidas Chari for Prudent.
Shigmo festival started with colourful parade and music in Ponda on Wednesday. Pedne will display floats parade on Friday, followed by Panji on Saturday. Traditional folk artists participate in Shigmo parades. Shigmo depicts scenes from mythology and other well-known religious scenes. Rest of the cities will celebrate Shigmo till 10th April. If you missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter @PrudentGoa or meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/PrudentMedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
Tumi Purita Prudent. You're watching Prudent.